Imagine a world where software maintenance becomes a breeze, where the laborious task of code refactoring is transformed into an efficient and intelligent process. Welcome to the future of software development, where AI-driven code refactoring is revolutionizing the way we optimize and maintain our code bases. In today's video, we're diving deep into how machine learning-enhanced optimization techniques are changing the landscape of software maintenance. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is code refactoring? At its core, refactoring is the process of restructuring existing computer code without changing its external behavior. It's like renovating a house. You improve the infrastructure without altering its purpose. Traditionally, refactoring has been a manual, time-consuming task, prone to human error. Enter AI and machine learning, bringing with them a new era of automation and precision. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast quantities of code much faster than a human ever could. They can identify patterns, detect potential bugs, and suggest improvements that might not be immediately obvious to even the most experienced developers. By leveraging AI, developers can optimize their code for performance, readability, and maintainability in ways previously unimaginable. But how does this work in practice? AI-driven tools scan through code bases using natural language processing and pattern recognition to understand the structure and functionality of the code. They then provide actionable insights and recommendations suggesting ways to improve code quality, reduce complexity, and eliminate redundancies. This not only enhances the software's performance, but also ensures it remains scalable and adaptable as new features are added. One of the most significant benefits of AI-driven code refactoring is the reduction in technical debt. Technical debt refers to the implied cost of additional rework caused by choosing an easy, limited solution now instead of using a better approach that might take longer. By continuously refactoring code with AI, organizations can keep their technical debt in check, saving time and resources in the long run. Moreover, AI-enhanced refactoring tools can integrate seamlessly into existing development environments, making them accessible to developers without the need for extensive retraining or workflow changes. This ease of integration means that development teams can adopt these technologies quickly and start reaping the benefits almost immediately. As we look towards the future, the potential for AI in code refactoring is immense. With advancements in AI and machine learning, these tools will become even more sophisticated, offering deeper insights and more precise optimizations. The result? Faster development cycles, more reliable software, and happier developers. In conclusion, AI-driven code refactoring is not just a trend, it's a transformative force in software development. By harnessing the power of machine learning, organizations can revolutionize their software maintenance processes, paving the way for more efficient, innovative, and effective software solutions. If you're excited about the future of AI in software development, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to explore the incredible possibilities that AI brings to the tech world.